Hey guys, in this video I will show you a website where you can find all recipes in this new cooking event and grow a garden. So guys, this website, as you can see here, has all the recipes with normal, legendary, mythical, divine, and prismatics, basically cookouts. I believe the website link in the description below. And now let's try one recipe that we can cook. So for example, let's cook sandwich. So let's open our inventory and let's cook tomato. We need 2 tomatoes. So submit another one, and then we need 1 corn. Good. And then we just need to press cook. After it's done, I just need to press E to get a sandwich here. And as you can see here, it should be on my item list, right? So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.